Morning, guys. Hello and welcome to our show Coffee with English Guru Academy. I am your host Jay Ratwani. Our today's guest is none other than one and only Captain Cool Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Give him a great round of applause. Welcome, sir.
Nice to meet you.
Have a seat, please. So, how was your journey? It's good, or you face any trouble?
My journey was good and I did not face any trouble, and I would like to thank you all of you to come here, and it's my pleasure to come here.
So, first of all, tell us about whether it's a test match or T20. You have this Captain Cool tag that you have achieved. Are you really that cool? What goes through your mind to be cool in every situation?
So I think I am as each and every individual, and because we all feel frustration, we all feel disappointed, and we all feel irritation when things are not going our way. But what is important is, does frustration lead to anything that is good for our team? That is the important thing, because mistake may be done by individual or whole team, but that point of time what is important, what we can do, and that time I want to get into the process again. And so I would say I am like everyone, and I equally feel frustration, I equally feel irritation, and I equally feel get angry at time, and I feel disappointed, but none of these are constructive. What is most important thing that time for me to control my emotions? So I would say I am like everyone, but I can control my emotions slightly better than others in every situation.
Okay, that's nice, MS. Your cricketing career is so wonderful and inspirational. So, did you think that you would play for Indian cricket team?
So, first of all, I want to answer this question, and your question seems very technical, but I want to give answer in a very simple manner. As you said, it all started with fun, because I never thought I will play for the Indian cricket team. And at the age of 13, 14, I used to play tennis ball cricket. And after that, I played for my school team for a 1 year. And during the summer vacation, my first exposure to leather ball cricket. And from there, I feel very nicely at that time, because I get access to batting pads, wicket keeping pads, and gloves, helmet. So everything, there is a whole process, and we get ready to play cricket and carry our bag and follow the same process. So there is a whole process, and that point of time I never thought I will play for the India team and I will become the part of the India team. But at and that of time, so now comes on the topic. And then at the age of 16, and I play under 16 tournament for a district level, then state, then zone. So slowly and gradually I was completing my short term goals. And after then, I in the at the around 99 to 2000, Bihar host under 19 tournament. And that particular tournament, and in that particular tournament, we were able to reach in final, our team able to reach in final. And according to my performance, i I got selected to I got selected in Ranji. So you can say my professional cricket started from there. So that is my journey related to cricket.
Yeah, that's nice, MS. क्या करूं? So, my next question is, what important ingredients that helps you to won the T20 World Cup?
So it comes to, you said winning or losing, it comes to every individual part of the team. And when we played World Cup, I think at that point of time, when we played World Cup, at that point of time, everybody had a role and responsibility. And I felt throughout the T20 World Cup that role and responsibility that were given to individual, that was fulfilled. And what you want as a captain, you want everyone contributes well, like take wickets, crucial runouts, outstanding catch. So these are important things, and these things can really shift the momentum of the game. And so that's why, because of that is the important reason because of which we won the tournament, according to me.
Yeah. We all want to know that what Mahendra Singh Dhoni do in his normal day, like off the ground.
So off the ground, I often you I often feel very boring my day. And in the normal day when I at home, I used to do a same routine follow. And first of all, in the normal days, I get up by 7 o'clock to 7:30. Then I freshen up. Then after that, I go to stadium and on my bike. I
Yeah,
love
you
bike.
have a great collection of bikes.
Yeah, I have 50 plus bikes, and then I do a running in stadium. Then I coming back to home and I play with my dogs. Then I spend time with my family, my parents, my wife, and my daughter. And then again in the evening, I go to gym and I do bit of workout. Then come to home and I used to play badminton because I play badminton a lot. So that is my basic, or you can say normal routine in the when I non-playing days. And in the important reason in this, I want to keep myself fit. So that is the important.
Yeah, that's a nice routine. You keep yourself healthy. So my next question is, in the term of non-cricketing sporting personality, who is your favorite and from which sport?
So non-cricketing, my favorite player is Nadal in long tennis. He is the second greatest player in long tennis. So that is my favorite player, and reason behind it, he never give up. That is the important thing. He never give up and he try his best. If he is on losing side, but he give his best. That is the important thing I like in Nadal, and that's why he is my favorite player.
Yeah. So my next question is, so you wanna give some suggestions to younger player?
So I want to give younger suggestions, some advice. You can say, if you want to become a great player in cricketing career, so I want to say, first of all, being honest to yourself, that is the important thing. Because dedication is there, hard work is there, consistency is there. But if you are not being honest to yourself, you can't be honest to others. Because if you are honest to yourself, then you can find your shortcomings and you can work on it. So that is the important thing that you should follow.
That's such a nice thing, Memes. Thank you for coming.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Okay.